What's up, YouTube? Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And these are the cars that we have here. It's kind of like going to a car show now because there's everything instead of just Chevrolet. But I think these are customers' cars they're going to get worked on. So we're going to make it over there to a used car lot. But just wanted to show you this right here. Then we'll go up. There's the cars getting worked on right there. As you can see that. There's a police car right there. A police SUV. More trucks. Ooh, look, there's a Corvette. C7 Corvette. Got a Mustang coming up here. Oh, another Corvette. Let's check out this Corvette. We got an Alfa Romeo. Now, why would you bring that? Oh, that must be used cars. Okay, another C7 Mustang. Ooh, wrecked Tahoe. Oh no, I don't know what that would be then. This black truck looks good, the Chevrolet. Take a look at that. Silverado. Another police car right there. It's pretty nice. Got the Tacoma 4-door. Look at that. More cars over here. We got the Chevrolet pickup truck right there. We'll turn over here this way. Oh, you got the Cadillac right here. That's pretty cool. Now, what's it? So it's 2.0 turbo. See, when I had my STI, man, this thing would walk all over this thing. This thing couldn't even put up a fight. But the STI was making 575 to the wheel, so not too many cars could run with it. So let's go up here. I like this orange right here, but I'm not a big fan of Hyundai. You got the like 3 Series BMW, another 3 Series BMW. Take a look at this right quick. Pretty nice. There's the inside right there. You can see it. Over here. So this X31 off-road. Have no idea what that means. So we got these trucks right here. Got this up here by the road. Oh, hang on. This is pretty cool. This is a T5, so it's like a hybrid setup. And then let's see. Let's go this way. If I go that way, then the used car lot people will come out and talk to me. I don't want to talk to them. There's a Chevy Bolt. Now these cars are faster than my Prius. So since my channel is about electric cars, I might get me one of these. Let's see. So there's the, trying to see the price. I don't even see the price. Where is the price? Oh, there it is, $43,000. That's a bit much. So, make sure I don't hit the off button. It gets tiring holding this camera. I need to get like a little handle thing for it, or tripod, where it adds more weight, but it's easier because the weight's more balanced. And then you can switch off hand to hand, so it's not so bad. See, this way I could accidentally put my finger in the way, or accidentally hit the off button. which I was blaming it on the heat, but that's what was happening. Was I was accidentally hitting the off button. Here, I like this wrap right here. That's pretty cool. Take a look at this. And again, I don't see anybody in the dealership right there. So we got this right here. We got the Bayway Chevrolet. That's pretty cool. And then got the number right there if you want to call them. Maybe order you a special car, something. I like the flags here. Got the United States flag and the Texas flag. So come over here and look around. Got another Chevy Tahoe. I guess all these cars are being worked on over here. So let's see. So I'd like to walk over there. They got the Mustang, the Camaro, the Charger. So come over here. And you got the GMC truck. So I guess it's okay. Look some more at these trucks over here. I really do like that Cadillac. Oh, there's a Range Rover. I don't really like them. I know they're popular, but I think this is a 5 Series. Yeah. I like the color. The color's pretty cool. So it's a 5. What is that? 5. All right, guys. I accidentally hit the off button, but this is the BMW 530i 5 Series. I don't know what that has the year on it. Let's see. 2018. Go over here and look at some of these cars over here. Got the X3 right here. Pretty cool. And then it's getting pretty busy over here. Let me get out of the way. So back over here, the GMC Sierras and the Chevrolets. Good. With these cars over here. Infiniti looks pretty nice. Got your Cadillac right here. All your Chargers, Camaros, Mustangs. Here's a 2019. Now, if I would just to buy a normal car that's not a hybrid or something, I would have to buy a Cadillac. I keep going back to these things, and I see these all the time on the road, so I might have to get me one. So how much are they? That's 15,000 miles, 2.0. There's the VIN number right there if you're interested in it. Oh, it's 2019. Yeah, that's pretty cool right there. I don't know if you can see in there. Let's see what we got over here. Got a Infiniti right there. Got a Honda, what is that, a Honda Accord E330. I like these right here, the Mercedes right there. Got this, I don't like the C-Class at all. Here another CT4. Let's see, we got the Camaro over there, but oh, more customers. I don't want to film them. So you got all your Chevrolet trucks right here. So this is all just trucks right here. What is that, a Chevy Colorado? So I got, yeah, there's customers over there, so we can't go over there. There's their billboard sign right there, so if you want to check them out, you can. So let's go back over here and get you another look at these cars. The only thing I'm interested in is the Cadillac. So we got the Camry looks pretty nice though, right there. You got the Caddy right there. You got the Mercedes right there. This, if they're in the SUVs, you got the Infinity right there. So you got, looks like a V6 Mustang. Another Caddy right there, right there. Then you got this Mercedes here. Pretty cool. Let's see if we can get around here. So there's the back view of it right there. And more customers. Dodge all them. Yep, and go over here. There's not really much to look at. Oh, I know, I wanted to go back here. Look at these. So we'll go back here. Take a look at these right here. That's another BMW. But like I always say, like, just not an M, it's just not a BMW. And it's not an AMG, it's not a Mercedes. And everybody has their own opinions, but that's mine. Another Hellcat. Has a hood scoop, so it's probably, oh, it's a Scat Pack. Yeah. It's not the red eye. I don't really care about it. Let's see, you got the SS1LE. That's a joke. All right. So we got this right here. Got the 2018 Tahoe. I just go there. So you got these diesels right here. So what is this? This is a 2019 4x4. Let's see right here. 2019 Silverado 2500. There's the inside right there. And that's it, folks. There's just nothing to look at over here. You got this Ford over here. Take a look at this. Oh, I like that right there. See how it's got the, you can move a boat around a lot easier like that. So you got that right there. Oh, this might, what is this? Oh man, this thing's all, nah, there's no way I'd buy this. It looks like it might have been ragged up. Looks like it might even have been wrecked. Like they just stuck this on here. Yeah, these cars are beat up. That's got quarter panel damage. Let's check out this BMW right here. So we got the BMW here. Got the 530i. And I guess we'll go back. Nothing to really see. So ooh, what is this? This is Chevrolet RS. Chevy Blazer. What is it? Fast? I don't know. Let's see. What size engine does it have? I don't know. I'm sure it's a V6. Probably 3.0 or something. There's your weak ass cop car. You got your, what is it, HR? Like somebody might have vandalized it. So all these cars right here, they're buying them and fixing them up. So these guys are struggling to get a whole bunch of junk made. So there's a, ooh, that's a Z06 Corvette. There's a lot of people that might be interested in that. Got the Titan here. Close that right there. Alright, had to get away from all the customers again. Customers everywhere. There's an Infinity right there. So that's pretty nice. Let's see. You got your truck right there. 1500 half ton. You got your Ram right there. You got my car way out there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it is. So what is this Chevrolet here? Oh, it's got markings on the wheels. What is this? Malibu. Let's take a look at it. Oh, you can't get back there. Never mind. So anyway, that's the Chevy Malibu right there. And oh, got the Volvo. Oh, it's a hardtop. Let's take a look right here. That might be a customer's car. This Chevrolet right here. It's the Equinox. And then of course my car. That's it, guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.